So this is State of Gaming channel. Playing with IWN. I'm Aaron IWN, my leader, Skull Killer.
I'm a masturbate. No, you're not.
Oh, I have a mustache. Do I have a mustache?
Yeah, that's what I said. You kind of look like a gay version of Adolf Hitler.
Oh. Alright, hey Dad.
That's what you're talking about. No, I'm not saying people are gay. Hang on.
But alright guys, you ready?
Sure. Nightmare, why don't you be the guy with blonde hair? Didn't you want to be Tyler? What? Remember Tyler? You should be the guy with blonde hair. I don't know what you just said, but okay. Oh god, I hate this. I'm straight in a weird room. Okay, let's go this way. Follow me, guys. What's up? I gotta eat this split. But I beat this game already.
With my help. I died because he kicked me. He left me behind for dead.
Wow. Well, it was either I got caught or he got caught, and I picked him to get caught. Well, I can't wait till you get scared shitless. Shut up, Nightmare, you dick.
Found one.
I don't care. I don't want to die. It's a bit funny thing to watch.
Where's Skull Killer go?
I don't know, I lost him. Where'd you guys go? I ran off. I just ran off. Guys, oh, there you are.
He's here. He's here.
He trapped me, guys. He's behind you!
Major look.
He's just trying to scare us. I think I lost you guys. Oh, there you are. Why is it so slow? Do I have high heels or something?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Oh god, not that.
We lost him. We lost him.
Oh god. Wait, what? You lost me? Yeah, you lost me. Guess there's a separation again.
Found another one.
I'm trying to text. Hey, don't do it. It's terrible. There you are. That looks super slow.
Statue.
I want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. What scares me about this? What? I have a feeling Slenderman's gonna kill the monster and pop out of nowhere. Yeah, 100%. I don't know who I should be more scared of, Slenderman or him. Hold on, can you guys hold up for a second? You can't run that fast. You didn't, thank you.
Where's Justin? Oh, he's right there.
Right in front of you. That's so cool. Dude, I just saw him. I thought Nightmare died for a second. No, I saw him. He escaped us.
Why haven't we seen him yet?
No, but we didn't see him on the other side. I saw him once, never. I just told you. Whatever it is, it's not. I'm feeling.
I want to see him now.
I kind of want to save you guys by letting myself die. Like, if he's coming, I'd stop him from getting you.
He's by us, guys.
He's breathing heavy. Go. Are you in front of me? Why am I in the back? Not behind you. Above that, I'm being behind you.
Oh, another one. It's been 4 tapes and I have not seen him yet. I hear him.
Yeah, we hear him, but we don't see him.
He's probably like hiding. He's like I'm out of
He's from us now?
Yeah, he's out of commission. Or not.
What? Oh, shit.
The irony in this.
Walk.
Totem pole.
Look at that. Run. Why did you leave me in the back of the group?
Another one. Jesus.
Another totem pole? Hey, shoot the guy in front of the kneecap and run.
One guy's dead.
No, I didn't die. That's me screaming. He's right behind me. Right behind us, Nightmare. Oh. Over there. Where are we going?
Here, you can tell there's one over here. Jesus, that scared me. There's one in here.
Yeah.
Found it.
I'm just gonna get it.
Come on, guys, let's do this. We haven't died yet.
Hey, you're gonna just leave me? I'm not dying. Wow. We're not an ass. I just said I'm not dying. Yeah, you don't want to die, but they think you're running away.
He's like, I'm out. This is the end of video 1 with all of us together.